Hello.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You must.
Now you can hear me.
Hey, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from India. I'm from West Bengal.
Bengal. You're a Bengali
Yeah,
tiger. Okay,
yeah.
great to
I
know.
know you're from.
Guess where I'm from?
It's pretty much hard to guess,
Ah, you,
Is this Marchi?
you
Is
don't
I think you're from Odisha.
you don't recognize Indian?
You're from Odisha,
No, I'm not from Odisha. I'm from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Because
Yeah.
oh no, you oh, okay. Your title is not Machi, it's Machi.
Okay, machi, fish.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
live.
No, no. I thought you're a Maji. That's why I'm saying like Odisha because I know the title Maji is from Odisha.
Okay, quite
Mm.
confusing. There are bunch of surnames in India, right?
Mm.
Get confused sometimes.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm. Because I have a friend Machi in my in the own state like West Bengal. She's
o-
from like a different tribe. I know she's also from. There is also a lot of people from Maji title in West Bengal.
Okay. Okay.
So you're the living the eastern part of Maharashtra or like western part of Maharashtra?
Eastern part of Maharashtra.
Yeah, that's why I because I feel like that you're from eastern Maharashtra.
Okay. Is there anything wrong in my face that you can recognize?
No, no, no. No, I'm not judging your face. I
Okay.
think I'm just judging.
Just kidding. Okay.
No, no.
I like to.
Like the see because I see the eastern part Maharashtra. It's quite. It's like a how can I say like they are not that privileged like Western Maharashtra. Like they just the all of the developing things are in the Western, but Eastern totally collapse. It's like they don't figure out like that.
Government doesn't
Eastern
take care of
totally.
us. You mean that?
No, 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 no. I'm not saying. I'm like Eastern Maharashtra is more focused on the agriculture things,
Agriculture
and
thing.
they are.
Okay.
And I see there's a lot of suicide, the farmer suicide from the Eastern Maharashtra. But I just see there's a lot of articles from the like Eastern Maharashtra. There are a lot of people are died for in the cause of they didn't get the crops and government didn't help them. Actually, there is like little headline. There is nobody actually read this thing, but I used to read because I have to prepare for something. Then I have to read all of this thing, and I see that why there is two form of the division in the Maharashtra. I couldn't understand.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you see the West is totally similar like that, not like totally different. But in Maharashtra, it's totally different. Like some people get the 1 lakh, and some people like 4,000. It's like totally. I'm just saying the division.
Okay. 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 That's your point. Yeah. You have good knowledge
Yeah.
about it. You know.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
actually, I've studied a lot of things about like like other district, other state as well,
Mm-hmm.
And I used to know about, like the Maharashtra. There's because they used to why actually a little bit know about like Eastern Maharashtra,
Mm-hmm.
like locally. But I used to think like if we like develop the Eastern Maharashtra, keep them profit in the agriculture field. They just totally agriculture, but the there is a like build like organic. The Eastern Maharashtra is quite good for organic. If they produce the organic food, they will be more demanded. But government taking any place, that's the problem.
Okay.
Like if you see the Sikkim, we see the Sikkim used to start like 2003 2016. They are the fully organic like the state, but the Maharashtra would be the same thing if the they produce the some kind of the development. But you can see,
Okay.
I'm just asking. Don't just judge.
No,
I'm not
actually,
judging you.
I'm here to receive all kind of information. I'm very receptive. So I get lots of information. We should respect each other opinion, right? Like you have different views, perspective. I have different
Mm.
perspective. Good for you. So what are you studying?
I'm studying in engineering. I'm studying in electronics and communication engineering. Yeah.
Engineering. Okay, okay. And it's pretty late at night, and you're having conversations.
Yeah, actually, I'm conversation in at the night. I don't get time like in the
Okay,
daylight, and that's why I'm yeah. And have a nice day.
okay.
I hope you. Okay, bye.